Hi, Jai everyone. Welcome back to the channel Study for Sarkari. Now, today we are going to see the interior of the Earth, as this topic is very important for your UPSC, SSC, and LB exams. You will see all about interior of the Earth. Now you can see here the uppermost point. Okay, here you can see the uppermost point of the mantle, which is known as lithosphere. Today we will dive into the smaller part of the Earth, that is your crust, mantle, and core. Let's see important of understanding the interior of the earth. You can see here, understanding the structure of the earth, interior crust, mantle, and core, the various forces, heat, seismic wave, emitting from it in the essential wave. Today we will see all about this, like the evolution of the earth's surface, its current shape and its future. What will be the shape of our earth in future? What was the shape of our earth, and what is the current shape of the earth? The geophysical phenomena like volcanism, earthquake, etc., Earth magnetic field, the internal structure of various solar system, the evolution and present composition of the Earth's atmosphere, and mineral exploration. So there are mainly two sources. Of information. The first one is direct sources and and the second one is indirect sources. We will see all about this. Now, first of all, we will dive into the direct sources. What are the direct sources? So, the deep earth mining and drilling reveal the nature of rocks in the surface. But the mining and drilling are not practically possible beyond the certain depth. They don't reveal much information. They don't reveal much information about the earth interior, as there are certain depth, and about after the certain depth you cannot go beyond that. So it doesn't reveal much information about the earth interior. So Mopnang gold mine, the deepest mine in the world, and Tautona gold, the second deepest mine in the world in South Africa. Okay, in South Africa, and the deepest mine, according mine reaching the depth of only 3.9 km. And the deepest drilling is only about 12-kilometer hole bored by the Soviet Union in 1970 over the Kola Peninsula. Over the Kola Peninsula. So volcanic eruption is also a direct source, but from another obtaining the direct information. So now, if you will talk about indirect source, there are temperature, meteorite, density, and earthquake wave. Okay, after that, let's see all about this point, like temperature, density, meteorite. What are that? So now, first of all, let's see about temperature. So temperature goes on increasing with increases in depth inside the earth. This is clearly proof that while going down a mine, you can say the temperature is directly proportional. The temperature is directly proportional to depth. If the depth will increase, then the temperature will also increase. On an average, there is a rise of 1 degree Celsius temperature for every 32 meter in the depth. This is important. Now let's see. After that, it is tempting to think. It is tempting to think under the condition of the enormous temperature of the interior of the earth, nothing to be found in solid state. Under the condition of existing rock should be either in liquid or gaseous state, but it is not so. Along with the increase in temperature with depth, pressure to increase in the interior of the earth. This pressure in lack of time more than the pressure exercised by atmospheric layer surface of the earth. Now we will see about density meteorite in the next video, and all about earthquake and volcanism. For for that, thank you, and please show your love in the comment section. Thank you. Jai Hind.